Part 1. 2023 is set to be a year of exciting technological advancements that will revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. From AI-powered systems to new energy solutions, the top 18 technology trends are set to have a significant impact on our lives. One of the most important trends is artificial intelligence and machine learning, which are already being used in various applications, such as image and speech recognition, navigation apps, and personal assistants. Another trend to watch out for is Datafication, which involves transforming everything in our lives into data-driven technology. Additionally, there will be a higher need for IT professionals, data scientists, and technicians due to the increased demand for smarter devices, computing power, and robotic process automation, RPA. These technologies will continue to shape our digital world and create new opportunities for innovation and growth. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has already received a lot of buzz in the past decade, but it continues to be one of the new technology trends because of its notable effects on how we live, work, and play are only in the early stages. AI is already known for its superiority in image and speech recognition, navigation apps, smartphone personal assistants, ride-sharing apps, and so much more. 2. Datafication. Datafication is simply transforming everything in our life into devices or software powered by data. So, in short, datafication is the modification of human chores and tasks into data-driven technology. From our smartphones, industrial machines, and office applications to AI-powered appliances and everything else, data is here to stay for longer than we can ever remember. So, to keep our data stored the right way and secure and safe, it has become an in-demand specialization in our economy. Datafication leads to a higher need for IT professionals, data scientists, engineers, technicians, managers, and so much more. 3. Smarter devices. Artificial intelligence has played an essential role in making our world smarter and smoother. It is not just simulating humans but going the extra mile to make our life hassle-free and simpler. These smarter devices are here to stay in 2023 and even further, as data scientists are working on AI home robots, appliances, work devices, wearables, and so much more. Almost every job needs smart software applications to make our work life more manageable. Smarter devices are another addition to the IT industry that is of high requirement and demand as more companies transform into digital spaces. 4. Computing power. Computing power has already established its place in the digital era, with almost every device and appliance being computerized. And it's here for even more, as data science experts have predicted that the computing infrastructure we are building right now will only evolve for the better in the coming years. At the same time, we have 5G already. Gear up for an era of 6G with more power in our hands and devices surrounding us. One essential branch under this field that you can learn today is RPA, i.e. Robotic Process Automation. At SimplyLearn, RPA is all about computing and automation software. 5. Extended reality. Extended reality comprises all the technologies that simulate reality, from virtual reality, augmented reality to mixed reality and everything else in between. It is a significant technology trend right now, as all of us are craving to break away from the so-called real boundaries of the world. By creating a reality without any tangible presence, this technology is massively popular amongst gamers, medical specialists, and retail and modeling. 6. Digital trust. With people being accommodated and tangled with devices and technologies, confidence and trust have been built towards digital technologies. This familiar digital trust is another vital trend leading to more innovations. With digital conviction, people believe that technology can create a secure, safe, and reliable digital world and help companies invent and innovate without worrying about securing the public's confidence. 7. 3D printing. A key trend in innovation and technology is 3D printing, which is used to formulate prototypes. This technology has been impactful in the biomedical and industrial sectors. None of us thought of printing a real object from a printer, while right now, it's a reality. So, 3D printing is another innovation that's here to stay. For companies in the data and healthcare sector that require a lot of 3D printing for their products. 8. Genomics. Imagine a technology that can study your DNA and use it to improve your health, helping you fight diseases and whatnot. Genomics is precisely that technology that peruses upon the makeup of genes, DNAs, their mapping, structure, etc. Further, this can help quantify your genes and result in finding diseases or any possible problems that can later be a health issue. 9. New energy solutions. The world has agreed to be greener for the sake of its landscapes and the energy we use. This results in cars running on electricity or battery and houses using greener choices like solar and renewable energy. What's even better is that people are conscious of their carbon footprints and waste. Thus, minimizing it or turning those into renewable energy is even more helpful. 10. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Like AI and machine learning, Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, is another technology that is automating jobs. RPA is the use of software to automate business processes such as interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. RPA automates repetitive tasks that people used to do. Although Forrester Research estimates RPA automation will threaten the livelihood of 230 million or more knowledge workers, or approximately 9% of the global workforce. It is part 1, and be ready for part 2, which is more interesting and informative. Thanks for watching.